Hi, I'm Brenda Quintana coming to you from the Beehive at QBsQuest.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun cat in a box using the cat punch and the 9 live stamp set. This box is just so cute. It looks like your average shipping box, and I know how much cats like to sit in boxes. And then I've just added a little bag full of Hershey's Kisses and a few cats inside the box. So I thought this would be a fun gift idea for cat lovers. Here's what the box looks like as an empty box, and I created it to look like just like your average shipping box with the same types of folds that you would find on a regular box. I'm going to show you how to make this box from start to finish, so let's get started. So to start off with, we're going to need the Simply Scored scoring board, and you're going to need a piece of cardstock. I'm using crumb cake here because it looks the most like a shipping box. I've cut this piece to 11 inches by 3 inches, and I'm going to put one of the long sides up at the top. Then I'm going to score it at the 3-inch mark, the 5-inch mark, the 8-inch mark, and the 10-inch mark. Then I'm going to flip it to one of the short sides, and I'm going to place that short side up at the top. And now I'm going to score at the 1-inch mark and the 2-inch mark. So this is what your piece is going to look like. And I'm going to go to the short end that has the 3 squares on the end. And I'm going to cut away the 2 corner squares. So it looks like that. Then on both long sides, I'm going to cut along the score marks just till I hit the first score intersection. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. The third one. Then I'm going to rotate it to the other long side. I'm going to cut along those score lines again, just to the first score intersection. And now if you want to do any stamping on your box, now is the time while it's still flat. So I'm going to go to the opposite end of this little square tab, and I'm going to stamp right here in this middle rectangle. I'm going to start off with some soft suede ink, and I'm going to stamp the greeting, "True love has 4 paws." Ink that up, and I'm going to just stamp that right in the middle of that rectangle right there. Then I'll take some lovely lipstick ink, and I'm going to take these little hearts from the same stamp set, and I'm just going to stamp them on either side of the greeting. Just keep it really simple but sweet. Now I know which way the box needs to be folded, so let me fold this along all the score lines. And underneath you're going to fold down. And on top you're going to fold back, because the box is going to sit open. So it looks something like that. Then you're going to take some Tombow and put it on this little square end, and then you're just going to bring the box together and line up those score lines. Give it a little push down, make sure it adheres properly. And then let's do the bottom of the box first. So these 2 shorter sides are going to fold down first, and then these 2 are going to come in like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Tombow right here. I'm going to leave a little gap in the middle because the box isn't going to come perfectly together. It's going to look like our true shipping box when it's done, like that. Then bring it over to the other side, and now you can kind of push down on that and make sure it sticks down. So there is the box all done. Pretty easy peasy, huh? Now we're going to fill up this box. And I love using these 3x6 gusseted cellophane bags from Stampin' Up. And if you take a piece of crumb cake cardstock and cut it to 3 inches by 2 inches and open up the bag and put this right down on the inside, this will fit perfectly down inside the box. So it makes it a lot easier to get the candy in. So I'm just going to use Kisses because that's what I have on hand. You could also put cat treats in here or a candy that your friend or the recipient of the box is going to like. So I'm going to use about 12 Kisses. That fits well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so now you can kind of scrunch that together. Then I'm going to take a piece of very vanilla baker's twine, and I don't know, probably about 12 inches of that. And then I'm just going to come around and knot this up, kind of tie it up. Want to make sure that it's down low enough so that it looks nice. Maybe come around one more time. Give it a second knot. And then I'll tie a bow up. Like that. Now you can play with this a little bit and bring the knot down a little further. And then you'll want to just open up this top part a little bit so it doesn't look funny. Spread it out a little bit like that. Okay, and then you can arrange the bow a little bit and cut off the ends. And then I've already stamped some cats. And I've stamped a gray cat, a yellow cat, and a black cat. And if you want to know how I stamp these cats, I did a video tutorial yesterday, and it's called Coloring the 9 Lives Cat. And I go over how I color them. And I also have a little instruction sheet that you can print out that you can use for yourself, and it has room to add some more. You can also print the sheet out and then keep it for your own reference purposes. So what I want to do with one of the cats, I want it to kind of sit on top of this bow. So I'm going to take my scissors, and with the gray cat, I'm just going to cut up in between the forepaws and the back paws. So I'll just cut along the natural stamped line right there. So I'm not actually hurting a cat, I'm just cutting along the natural line right there. And then that's going to sit. You can just kind of feed that bow right in between the cat's legs like that. So it looks something like that. And then you find the front of the box and put your little cat inside it like that. And then of course the other cat can just kind of tuck in here. And if you want to, you can glue the cats in, but you don't have to. And then this little black cat can kind of tuck in this back corner like here. Because what's better than one cat? It's a bunch of cats, right? The Crazy Cat Lady Box. A fun little gift idea for a cat lover. All the supplies you'll need to make this fun cat in a box are available for purchase on my blog. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Bye for now. I love to reward my customers with free tutorials. Check out my Hershey's Flower tutorial with 2 sizes of gift boxes. You can get this tutorial free if you place a minimum $15 order in my Stampin' Up! Store. For more details, check out my blog at cubiesquest.com and click on Rewards. Hi, it's Brenda again. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog for more information on my projects and to learn about my rewards program, or just watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.